was an old woman who lived by the sea, in a crooked old house as odd as could be. The roof was bent, the walls went askew, and windows that whistled whenever winds blew. Her kettle would giggle, her clock would sigh, her cat wore a bonnet and blinked one eye. The floors would creak like a pirate ship's tune, and the chimney danced beneath the moon. Dear me, the old woman said, as the teapot sang and the biscuits fled. Her rocking chair spun like a fairground ride, and the brew would sweep itself outside. One night the stars began to glow, and the house swayed gently to and fro. Hold on tight, the woman cried, as the house took off for a moonlit ride. Over the hills, past clouds of cream, through silver skies like a wondrous stream. The cat just purred, the clock chimed 10, and the house landed softly by morning again. So if by the sea you hear a tune floating up to the smiling moon, it's the old woman in her house so spry, dancing stars as they twinkle by.